Hello everyone, my name is Ramesh Goel. I am a professor of environmental engineering and microbiology at the University of Utah Salt Lake City. I am very excited to know about this wonderful conference named Jigyasa to be held on December 18th and 19th virtually on the platform of Institute of Science and Spirituality and co-organized by BIHS Florida. Despite incredible success in terms of artificial intelligence, cognitive science, neuroscience, and including different streams like physics and biology, our knowledge about how information is processed into meaning and experience is very limited. And this conference is meant to touch these important and sensitive issues. Mind and consciousness holds the secrets of next generation of technological advancement. So please join this conference to be held on 18th and 19th December virtually by Institute of Science and Spirituality and BIH Florida. And you will be excited and you will be enlightened to be a part of this wonderful conference. Thank you so much and hope to see you all there.